Forget Untun dumplings, guys.
Do Chun Ken instead. Do you want to know what Chun Ken is? We will show you how to make beautiful spiral pattern Chun Ken in this video. We will also show you how to stir fry garlic noodle in 5 minutes. Chun Ken is a Hakka specialty meat roll, which means egg roll in direct translation. It is a sausage-like roll about a foot long with fillings consisting of pork meat wrapped in a thin egg wrap. Locals claim it is virtually impossible to get them outside Sabah. Drop us a comment below if you found them in your city. We would love to know. As much as I love eating my Chun Ken with pork, but in this video, we decided to make a healthier version of this egg roll using chicken and fish instead. Let's start! 200 grams fresh grounded chicken meat, 200 grams fresh fish meat. Here we are using fresh Spanish mackerel. Mix the two together well, then you add the spices. 2 egg white, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon chicken stock, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon rice wine, 1 teaspoon pepper. Use a mixer hook to knead for 5 minutes or more. The longer you knead, the more bouncier the texture of the filling will become, so do not skip this part. Use 2 eggs to make the omelette skin, sprinkling with some salt and pepper. Heat up some oil on a large non-stick pan. Add the eggs all at once, swirling your pan quickly so that a very thin omelette forms. Use very low fire. Spread a layer of chicken fish paste on top of the omelette and roll it up. Cover the egg rolls with aluminium. Steam for 15 minutes. While the egg rolls are steaming, cook some angel hair pasta. Drain and put aside. Let's prepare the garlic noodle sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, sugar, stir to combine. Heat up the pan and pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic until brown. Keep aside half for garnishing. Put in the cooked pasta. Pour in the garlic noodle sauce. Toss to coat the pasta. Approximately 2 minutes and it is ready. Sprinkle with some fried garlic. Remove the egg roll from the steamer and slice. Just look at the beautiful yellow spiral pattern.
Your guests will be impressed.
Place it on the plate and it's ready to be eaten.
Thanks for watching.